this is the place where I'm gonna cook today. So shall we go inside? Let's go. Hello, I'm Sanjana and today I'm here to learn how to cook Korean food. I'm gonna cook bulgogi and bibimbap. The sun rises. And this is where I'm gonna cook today. So shall we go inside? I'm very excited and nervous too. So let's see what will happen. Hi, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Chef Julie.
And this is my teacher today.
Today I'm going to teach you how to cook Korean traditional food, which is bulgogi and bibimbap. Both meals are very popular and also chosen Korean best dish by beginners, so maybe you will enjoy it.
Yeah, I will enjoy it. So shall we start?
Yeah.
It was very different experience and it was very comfortable because teacher was like my Korean friend. It's good to feel Korea while cooking and eating Korean food. If my friends want to come to Korea, then I would recommend them to learn Korean food. See you, Jipoon!